Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm able to make $100 per month using Binance Earn features. Okay, this is in the Earn tab. If you go to wallet, you can see Earn right there, and you can see here I have some coins right there. Now before we jump into Earn, let me tell you a little bit of my Bitcoin price prediction here. If you see right now, something is going to fall. Okay, as of today. If you look at the RSI, it's quite overbought. If you look at the Heiken Ashi, you can see, as for Heiken Ashi, you can see it's not red yet, okay, still green. So if you want to wait for confirmation, probably you want to see a strong red candle like this. That's a good practice if you want to be safe. But anyway, let's go back to Earn, guys. When we are talking about crypto Earn, it means like bank, you put the money and then we earn the interest. Okay, the same thing here for Earn. If you click on subscribe to Earn, you can see there are a bunch of coins that you can earn interest from. If you look at the estimate APR, they are about 40%, 50%, 76%, depending on the coins. Now personally, guys, I would only recommend coin that you believe that will go back to its all-time high. Okay, I have some coins that I bought, and because this is bear market, a lot of the coins get stuck. Okay, so let's say I bought a coin at its all-time high, and then I have a bunch of coin, right? And while I'm waiting for the coin to go back up, okay, I just stack it. I just put it into Earn and earn interest. So let's say I have 1,000 coins. Okay, for example, not Bitcoin. For example, I have 1,000 whatever coin I have. Let's say in 2 years the market go back to its all-time high. I maybe have 1,020 coins. Let's say so. This extra 20 coins is nice, right? Nice profit. Rather than you just leave it inside your spot wallet, you can just put it inside Earn and earn interest. So that's why I have some of the coins here that I earn interest from. For example, if we look at ONT here, you can stack it. For example, if you press on max, but unfortunately I already reached my stake quota limit. So you can see there your personal quota. Okay, it says 300, so I can put maximum 300 ONT. The same thing here, if I put BTC, if I search for BTC, I can earn 5%. Okay, 5% of BTC. 5% of BTC every year. Okay, and the duration is flexible, so I can pull it out anytime I want. And if you can see some of the coins that I'm staking, I even stake USDT, guys. If you select USDT here, you can see there is 8% APR, which is not bad. It is much more than most banks. Okay, in fact, all banks in the world, you can see that the tier 1, okay, if you put up to $2,000, you can earn 8% per year. If more than 2,000, the rest of 2,000 only 0.7%, and so on. How it works is that this USDT, it will send to my spot wallet. If I click on the USDT, you can see, I have distribution. So if I go to distribution, so these are all from Earn. Okay, it's coming from Earn. You can see it was consistently 0.54 cents, 54 cents, 54 cents, as you can see right there. That's how I am earning interest. It's sent to your account. It's sent to your USDT every day. And then how I earn more is actually from the big money is actually from dual investment, guys. You can see I already made a video about dual investment. So dual investment is pretty interesting. Let's say you have $1,000 of USDT, Now, instead of you buy coin straight away, let's say if you want to buy BTC, you use this $1,000, you buy BTC straight away, you only get certain amount of Bitcoin on that day for this $1,000. Now, what you can do instead is you use a dual investment, okay, to earn interest. If you go back to home and then click on earn, you can see there's USDT 300%. You can see here there is BTC 200%, Ethereum 300%. Okay, I'm gonna use Ethereum as an example. 300% guys, it's crazy. Let's say I want to buy Ethereum. So instead of you buy Ethereum straight away, you can use these features, the second one. You can see the first one, the target price is 1,700. And then I have 1,000. Let's say I put $1,000 here. And you can see all the condition down there. If the price above 1,700, my $1,000 USDT will become 1,027 USDT. If it falls below 1,700, I will get 0.6044 Ethereum. Okay, so it's still the equivalent of $1,000 plus $27. So actually, if you bought Ethereum with this money, okay, if you bought Ethereum with this money, you have less Ethereum if you buy it right now. So if you use dual investment in certain date, okay, in certain date, you will actually have more coins. Now, the only disadvantage of this method, if you know how to read the chart, okay, this method is only for people who don't know how to read the chart, and people who are busy, they don't have time to read the chart, so they can use this method. If you can read the chart, you probably can buy a lot more Ethereum because the market probably is going to go down way below 1,700. So this is why Binance is confident to give you 300% because they know they can use your money. Okay, it's just like a bank, guys. They can use your money, and they can trade it. They can actually make more than 338%. Way more than that. That's why they are confident to give you this, because they know the price in 4 days, okay, in 3 days, the price is going to be far below 1,700. Again, if you can read the chart, guys, it's better to buy manual or sell manual. But for those of you who are busy, you don't have time, this is still a win-win situation, Binance make the money, and you don't know how to read the chart, you still make the 338% APR, okay? You need to divide this by, because the time is only 4 days, you need to divide by 365, and then you time 4 days. So if you use calculator here, 338%, we divide 365 days. So it's around 0.92% per day. Since this is a 3-day contract, you multiply by 3. So in 3 days, you actually earn 2%, and it will be sent to your spot wallet, okay? That's why you can see sometimes I have this distribution. Okay, that's why you can see sometimes I have this distribution of 509. Sometimes that's how I'm able to make $100 profit per month, guys. Okay, I combine a dual investment and basically this one, staking coins. Basically, that's just how I do it. Again, this is good for beginners. If you want to do dual investment, have some already, you can see right there. Sometimes I'm very, very busy. I don't even have time to look at the chart. So I just put it like this. And sometimes, guys, okay, sometimes you can see the price is already oversold. So, it's a better, I would say it's a better chance for it to go up, right? And this is when you can buy low, and actually when the price go high, and you can use that money to rotate and keep repeating the same process and earning 200 to 300% APR. And I think that's a better strategy right now. My feeling, okay, my feeling says it's probably gonna go down like crazy, guys. Okay, it's probably gonna go down like crazy for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other coins. Just be careful, don't go all in, and prepare some money to do averaging, guys. For whether you are playing spot or futures, be smart with your money. The last thing you want is to lose everything. Okay, you gotta be smart when doing this.